One people, welcome back again to another video. Jamaican Guide here. Today we will be looking at 10 apps every Jamaican should have on their phone. So just stick around and I'll show you how I go on. Alright, so we are gonna do it in a good, better, best order. The best app will be at number 1. So we know say we are gonna start the ball game at number 10. So coming in at number 10 is the Facebook Messenger. So you might be wondering how this app reach on this list, but this app is an app that a lot of people don't really keep on their phone. But at some point in time, you will have to re-download it to on your phone to communicate privately with your friends. Number 9 on the list is the weather app. Even though we don't get a lot of rain nowadays in Jamaica, it is still good to have a weather app on your phone to know when it will rain, especially if you are a farmer, a person who works outdoors, or if you are a person who does a lot of errands on the road. It is always good to know when it will be raining in your area or an area where you will be traveling to, so you can travel with your umbrella. Number 8 is One Spot Media. Now everyone in Jamaica is familiar with this name, but not the app. This app allows you to watch whatever is showing on TVJ Live and other TVJ stations and programs. Now, a lot of people think this app is an app where you have to pay. You actually do have to pay, but there is also a free package there where you get to watch TVJ Live on your phone and other stuff. Okay, so stay with me, people, don't leave it. We are only at number 7 now. Okay, so coming in at number 7 is the My Calendar app. This app is for the females, but the smarter males use this app as well. Some people will know what I'm talking about. This app tracks menstrual cycle and woman stuff. Guys can use it as well to track and know when the fertile window is open. If you want a little one, fair run back at you and I say daddy. Alright, so number 6 now. Share It. Share It is an app that allows you to share documents, games, musics, videos, and a lot more from your phone to another phone. I guess where Share It is concerned, the name of the app speaks for itself. Okay, so coming up at number 5, viewers. This is the top 5 apps we reach now. So if you're still watching at the top 5, then at the end I have a bonus app to add to this list after we hit the number 1 app, so stick around and to see what that bonus app is. Okay, so the app that holds the number 5 spot on my top 10 chart is Extracarder. This app allows you to record whatever is showing on your phone screen. This screen recording app also allows you to take a screenshot, and you can also crop and edit your stuff like videos and photos. Sometimes you see a Facebook story or a WhatsApp status and you can't really download that video, but this screen recording app can allow you to get the video. Holding down the number 4 spot on my chart is the Stay Alert app. Now, this is another app that was developed by Jamaicans for Jamaicans. This app works like a panic button. It allows you to contact the police real quick if you need assistance, and I think this app also sends your location when you're in distress. You also get alerts from the police, which gives latest news, updates, and tips. It also gives a summary of the Jamaican law as well. Okay, so we are now at the top 3. Holding down the top 3 spot is mobdro. Now this app has been around for a little while, not so long though. It allows you to stream live cable TV on your phone, news, sports, or music. And believe me, you do have a lot of options, like some 3 or 4 HBO and some Cartoon Networks, some Disney channels, and a lot more. However, this app is not on the App Store, so if you would like to check out this app, then you can check out my video titled How to Get Live Cable TV on Your Phone, and I'll put the link to that video in the description of this video. Okay, so holding down the number 2 spot on this chart now. Number 2 spot on this chart is none other than YouTube Go. Yeah man, YouTube Go. This app allows you to download YouTube videos of your choice for watching later if you don't have any Wi-Fi or data. So if you're going somewhere and you might have to wait long and you know it boring there, you can download a few videos for that. A movie, a how-to video, a documentary. Not songs though. You won't be able to download music. At least not to my knowledge. And a lot of things can always change with a new update. Boom, just like that. Okay, so the app that you all have been waiting for has finally reached. It's time to be announced. Now people, no need to be excited. This is an app that most of us use every day. This video was entitled Top 10 Apps That You Don't Know About. Okay, so the number 1 app on this chart is, drum roll please. Tana tana tana. Oh, what kind of drum roll that, brother? A trumpet roll that. Okay, so the number 1 app on this chart is WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp business. Kiss me teeth. Yeah man, I know enough of you kiss my teeth. And I say everybody have that already. But the truth is, not everyone does. My father would never use this app, not even if you pay him. I tell him about it till I'm tired. Fall upon their face. Famous. Anyway, I tell you there, big up yourself. Okay, so remember we did talk about a bonus app. So the bonus app that holds the number 0 spot on this chart is GB WhatsApp. You can't tell me say you don't know about the GB app, because I talk to people in Africa and them say them know it. However, if you don't come from planet Earth and you have never heard about the GB app, then check out my video titled How to Download GB WhatsApp, and I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. If you know about any other app that should be on this list, feel free to leave it in the comment. I'll be happy to hear from you guys. So people, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe.